In the majestic mountains, where nature's beauty inspires awe, unforgiving conditions can pose serious threats. Avalanches are a constant concern for those who live and work in these regions. Time is of the essence in avalanche rescue missions. Traditional search methods can be slow and perilous. Here at Aero360, we are driven by innovation and a commitment to safety. We've developed a customized drone solution specifically designed to aid avalanche rescue efforts. Our cost-effective Vajra drone is built to handle harsh conditions. This customized solution can be deployed at high altitudes in frigid temperatures to quickly scan vast areas for signs of survivors. Equipped with advanced sensors, the drone can detect the faintest heat signatures, pinpointing the location of buried victims even under layers of snow. This vital technology empowers our armed forces with the ability to conduct faster, safer search and rescue operations, increasing the chances of survival for those caught in avalanches. At Aero360, we are dedicated to developing customized drone solutions that save lives. Visit our website to learn more about how our technology can empower your operations.